Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my students, how are you today? Before we start our lesson today, let's reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lesson, we will learn to say what we must do and must not do, like rules and obligation. Di pembelajaran kali ini, kita akan belajar bagaimana cara mengungkapkan apa yang harus dan tidak harus kita lakukan, seperti peraturan-peraturan dan kewajiban. Sebelum kita mulai, silahkan perhatikan beberapa contoh dari rules and obligation berikut ini. We must wear a uniform every day. From Monday to Thursday, we must wear the batik shirt. The girls must wear a black skirt and the boys must wear a pair of black pants. On Friday, we must wear the scout uniform. We must wear proper shoes. We must not wear sandals, a t-shirt, or a casual wear at any place and at any time during the school hours. We must not be late to school. We must come on time to class and to the flag ceremony. If we are late, we must wait outside the gate. We must not come in until the security guard gives us permission. We must sign a paper before we come to class. If we cannot come on time for any reason, we must hand in a notice from our parents to the principal. We can learn well if the classroom is clean and tidy. So we must keep our classroom clean and tidy. We must not litter. We must put the garbage in the garbage bin. We must not write or draw anything on the desk and on the walls. We must sweep the floor and the dust, the teacher's desk, and the shelf every day. We can learn if the class is not noisy. My friends and I know very well that we must not be noisy. We must respect our friends who are working seriously. We must not chat and talk very loudly in class. We must keep our voice low. We must not play around. We must work at our desk most of the time. Baiklah anak-anak, itu tadi adalah contoh dari rules and obligation atau peraturan-peraturan ataupun kewajiban yang ada di sekolah kalian. Sekarang ayo kita bahas bagaimana cara membuat kalimat ataupun ungkapan-ungkapan mengenai rules and obligation. Jadi, ketika kalian ingin membuat ungkapan ataupun kalimat mengenai peraturan-peraturan ataupun kewajiban, kalian bisa menggunakan kata must yang artinya harus atau must not yang artinya tidak harus. Untuk membuat kalimat ataupun ungkapan dalam bentuk positif, kalian bisa mengikuti formula berikut ini. Yang pertama ada subjek plus must plus verb one plus objek. Subjek bisa berupa I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Must berarti harus. Verb one adalah kata kerja bentuk pertama. Lalu yang terakhir objek, yaitu yang dikenai pekerjaan. For examples, contohnya, we must wear a uniform every day. Kita harus menggunakan seragam sekolah setiap hari. We di sini adalah subjek, must artinya harus, wear adalah kata kerja bentuk pertama atau verb one, a uniform adalah objeknya. Sedangkan everyday adalah kata keterangan waktu. Contoh lainnya, we must come on time. Kita harus datang tepat waktu. Contoh selanjutnya, you must sweep the floor every day. Kamu harus menyapu lantai setiap hari. Untuk kalimat negatif, formulanya yang pertama subject plus must not plus verb 1 plus object. For examples, you must not wear sandals at school hours. Kamu tidak boleh menggunakan sendal di jam sekolah. You must not chat in the class. Kamu tidak boleh berbicara di dalam kelas. You must not write on the desk or on the walls. Kamu tidak boleh menulis di atas meja ataupun di dinding. Baiklah anak-anak, sekian materi kita hari ini. That's all for today. Let's close our class by reciting Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.